Alec joins us in the backyard now. Alec, while there was a lot of shoveling and de-icing that had to go on over the last few days, you're not going to want to put all that stuff away.
No, you are not. Not right now. Although I think we'll take the snow accumulations and decrease them over the next 24 to 48 hours because we do have a little bit of a warming trend coming through, but it's going to be very short-lived. So let's take a look at what's going on outside right now. You can see traffic flowing nicely on 81 compared to last night. It is definitely a big difference from last night when we had the snow and sleet moving through our area last evening and into the night. 26 right now in the backyard. Winds are calm at about 5 miles per hour. You'll notice through some of our viewing area we are under a winter weather advisory. That means that's like a level 2 out of 3. The next one up would be the winter storm warning. So the National Weather Service is concerned about this system that's moving out of New Mexico, going going across the central parts of the U.S. here, moving into our area. But right now we just have some cloud cover for the most part. So if you're traveling this evening, you have really nothing to worry about weather-wise this evening at all. 20s for most of us across the area, and maybe a little bit into the 30s out towards the western part of the viewing area. So let's take a look at weather headlines for our Sunday. We do have some freezing rain we need to talk about that's going to transition to all rain later Sunday afternoon into Sunday night. Monday, there's going to be a strong cold front that's going to come through, and it's going to change things for pretty much the rest of the week. And some showers, snow showers to talk about Wednesday, right around the time the ball drops, and most of the day on Thursday as well as we usher in 2026. So we can see in the mid-levels of the atmosphere here, one of my favorite perspectives of the atmosphere, you can see this warm air that's pushing through. You can see this ridge of high pressure that's down here in the southeastern parts of the United States, and then this trough out here. So all of these play a dynamic in the next 24 hours. You can see we want the ridge. We want the warm air to surge in, but the problem is that we have a trough that's embarking on us, and it's going to push through on Monday. It's going to change things for us quite dramatically. So we can see a warm front's going to work its way in tomorrow. The problem is that we have cold air in place. As the warm air is trying to move in, it's going to bump into the cold air. And on the onset of this, the precipitation that's going to fall is probably going to fall as freezing rain for a short period of time before transitioning to all rain. Then Monday, here's that strong cold front coming through, transitioning from rain to a northwest wind to snow showers. So let's plan your day out tomorrow. You can see most of the day just cloudy. Here's where that precipitation starts to move in. I am concerned about this area right in here and also in northern Wayne County with any type of accumulating freezing rain. You can see 5 p.m., 7 p.m. as the warm air really tries. The higher elevations are the ones that are going to hang on to any type of colder air and maybe the potential for accumulating freezing precipitation. But eventually it will transition to all rain as the warm air continues to push through Sunday night into Monday. Monday mostly cloudy, but then you can see that cold front out here. This will be the end of the rain, and then it'll push out Monday, and then we'll transition to snow showers after that cold front pushes through, dramatically dropping our temperatures from our high on Monday into Tuesday. Here's where I'm concerned about accumulation. Again, not a lot, but remember, freezing rain is very dangerous, so we don't want to mess around with it when we're on the roadways, especially overpasses and bridges. Rain-wise, about ½ an inch at the absolute most. So you can see Monday transition into that colder air coming through. Notice the isobars here on Tuesday, very breezy conditions, not only Tuesday, but Wednesday as well. And right here, I want to show you this, right where about the ball's going to drop Wednesday night into Thursday. Maybe a chance for some snow showers, nothing major, nothing accumulating. We'll keep you posted on that as we embark into our New Year's Day on Thursday. And then Thursday, we hold on to that chance for snow showers as the winds are out of the north-northwest. And again, reinforcing that cold air all week long. So tomorrow, I'm calling for a high of 40 degrees in this backyard, but I actually think it's going to get a little bit warmer than that, closer to midnight. Watch for the winds, especially Monday, and look at Tuesday. Some of the winds may gust in higher elevations or open land near 40 to 50 miles per hour. Overnight tonight, mostly cloudy, 18. If you're traveling tonight, you should have no issues weather-wise. You can take a look at the 7-day forecast. Watch for that freezing rain tomorrow afternoon, especially late. Transition in the atmosphere on Monday. Look at the high on Monday, then compare it to Tuesday. Very breezy and cold Tuesday, Wednesday, even Thursday, and even into next weekend too, Jack. So we'll get a flavor of spring for just a little bit, but then winter returns, and it looks like it's going to stay here for a while.
Right back to it, Alec. Thank you very much.